Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you the withdrawal proof of the mining website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are everywhere on our website, and this is the website. I make another withdrawal. In here you can see I just withdraw this much amount, and this website pay me 100% instantly to my Trust Wallet. And I go to my Trust Wallet to show you this transaction. You can see I'm in Trust Wallet. The Bitcoin price is right now $25,000, and I receive my amount in here. In just you can see I receive my amount in here, you can see, and that's the best way. This website pay me 100%. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. I make this much withdrawal, and if you come here to show you, this is my first withdrawal and this is my next withdrawal. It's 3 June, and right now it's 30 June. After 10 days I make another withdrawal. This website pay me, and this website is free without any investment. You can easily make, you can see I didn't invest in here. This is free active amount. I just making withdrawals. And if you want to buy a miner, just go in here, buy a miner from here, and you can increase your amount easily. And thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for